What up, YouTube? So I decided to do something a little different today. I was inspired by a video my friend Stacy Abshire posted where he just ripped his drone around his house. So I thought I'd do the same. I haven't flown 5-inch freestyle in like a month. And before I filmed this video, I did do a warm-up pack. And the warm-up pack, I was surprised myself. I still kind of had the moves, but as you can see in this pack, I don't know if I pushed it a little too hard for the camera, but I wrecked a lot. But this video was taken on this Thursday afternoon, May 30th, 2024. Time right now is 5 p.m. And we're in summer weather here in Florida. It seems like summer hit really hard here. I don't know if I just haven't gotten used to the hot weather yet. We actually had a really nice mild spring that we haven't had in several years. So I guess I shouldn't complain at all because we had nice, cool, mild weather. But yeah, I haven't flew 5-inch freestyle in a while. Actually, last time I flew, it was with Stacy at school, and I flew my HD0 quads. And I remember I broke both HD0 quads, and I haven't touched them, so I haven't even repaired them. So this is on DJI. As you can see, there's activity at the neighbor's house. They got their septic pumped yesterday, and then the septic truck broke down. And I was hoping to power loop it, but as you can see, they came back to work on the truck. And here I habitually disarmed. That's something that I still struggle with. But yeah, I haven't really been motivated to do YouTube too much. I've been trying not to do YouTube on anything that I don't know what I'm doing. So I've been keeping busy, but a lot of the projects I'm doing, I don't know what I'm doing, and just don't feel in the mood to YouTube. But when I saw Stacy had this video idea, I thought I'd give it a try. I'm kind of showing off the roof. What I did earlier today is I'm starting to have this roof on my house. When I bought it, they said it was a lifetime metal roof, but I'm starting to have some failures on all this tar tape where they have these bolts on the edge of the roof. So I've been repairing them as they lift up. So I did that earlier before this. And then another project is the boat stopped working. The fuel cooler started leaking on the boat. It's a Mercury 40 horsepower, I believe, 4-stroke. It has this fuel cooler. I didn't know what it was, and I had a hard time trying to look up what the part was, but it's called a fuel cooler. Started leaking. It's a good thing that it didn't catch the motor on fire. But when I Google searched it, that fuel cooler, you can only get them for $500. I was like, man, that's insane. But luckily, YouTube saved the day, and there's a YouTube video about how to. They're just O-rings that dry up in them. They had to replace. So I bought the O-rings for $10, but I haven't done that yet. So the boat's out of service. So that's like one of the long list of things that I need to. You see, I did that move earlier on the previous pack, and I had no problems, but I don't know why I was so horrible with this pack. But yeah, so like doing projects like that, like a lot of meaningless household projects I've been doing. I am going to prepare to do a major bathroom remodel this summer on my, I guess my master bathroom that connects to my bedroom. So I'm just totally going to redo it, and I decided to buy a bidet. I was going to hold off, but on Memorial Day, they went on sale, so I went ahead and ordered one, got 15% off for Memorial Day, and it's freight shipped, and it's coming tomorrow. So that might be next week's video of me unboxing it. Mainly, I'm going to unbox it on camera in case something's cracked on the porcelain or what have you. I'll have it on film, me unboxing it, if I had to do any return. But yeah, I just haven't been having any content ideas or doing things that I thought would make for good content. And I'm actually getting kind of low on this pack, which from my memory, I thought these 2 packs I flew today, there was a lot of battery sag. But even though I was getting low on this pack, I saw that the guys who are working on the septic truck backed away, and I was like, man, I got to power loop this thing. So as you can see, I did power loop it, although I went to the moon. You see, that's the thing when you don't you got to fly consistently to have really good stick control. so you don't go to the moon or whatnot. But yeah, this is how. I very rarely fly around my house anymore, with the exception of to test quads before I go out. I'll fly around, but yeah, that's pretty much exactly how I fly around my house. And look here, I'm being an idiot and got my wire caught. But yeah, I thought this would be a different video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.